In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on the Godaddy website builder. Whether you're trying to direct your website visitors to contact you, learn more about your services, or even make a purchase, adding a button is a crucial step towards creating an engaging and user-friendly website. Let's get started. First things first, you need to gain access to your Godaddy website editor. To do this, you'll start by clicking on the Sign In button located on the Godaddy homepage. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to correctly fill in these details, as accurate credentials are key to accessing your account. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Now that you've successfully logged into your account, it's time to navigate to your website editor. Look for the website option. You might have to scroll a bit or look through your dashboard, but don't worry, it should be fairly easy to spot. Once you find it, click on it. Following that, the next step is to enter the editing mode of your website. This can be done by clicking on the Edit Website option. This will transition you from merely viewing your website to actually being able to modify its content and layout. With the editing mode activated, you're now ready to add a new section to your website, which is where you'll place your button. To do this, find and click on the Add Section button. You'll see it positioned either at the top or the side of your editor, depending on the layout of your current view. Now here comes the part where we specifically focus on adding a button. In the search bar or section menu that appears after clicking Add Section, type in Button. This action will narrow down the section options to precisely what you're looking for, making it easier to find the Buttons section. Upon typing Button, you'll notice that Buttons becomes an available section choice. Go ahead and click on Buttons. This will select it as the type of section you wish to add to your website. Once the Buttons section is selected, the last step in the process is to actually add your desired button to this section. Look for the Add option, which should now be visible within the Buttons section. Clicking on Add will then allow you to insert a button into this section. From there, you can customize the button to your liking, including adjusting its size, color, and the link it directs to. Remember, the button you add to your Godaddy website can serve a variety of purposes. Maybe you want it to link to your online store, take visitors to a contact form, or maybe direct them to a sign-up page for newsletters. Whatever the function, make sure the button's text is clear and direct, and that it stands out enough to encourage visitors to click on it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a button to your website using the Godaddy website builder. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and placements for your button. The goal is to make your website as engaging and easy to navigate as possible. Remember, your website is often the first point of contact between you and your potential customers, so it's worth taking the time to ensure everything, including your buttons, is perfectly in place. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to revisit any steps if you need a refresher or reach out for further assistance. Until then, happy website building.